Hi everyone and welcome to today's LiamBrookJack.com food review. We have a taco.
Do you know where the real place is?
No.
My iPad is here. And we're going to roll it up and take a big bite.
No.
We're going to wrap it up and take a big
No.
bite. Alright, let's see your ingredients first. I believe it's beef, cheese,
I thought it wasn't allowed.
avocado, salsa, sour cream, lettuce, and tomato with a bit more cheese on top. And a big taco. Okay, here we go. Going in for the big bite. Mmm! Really good. One more bite. Mmm. This is awesome. Mm.
These aren't big. I'm sure they're normally bigger.
Just took another bite. The drink we have. Water?
Just have less meat, I think.
So, that's
The
it.
girl that's been bullying.
Hi everyone and welcome to today's
The others
Liam
ganged up
Brook
on
Jack.
Really?
This is the middle of the video. Here's your hard taco. Let's count it.
that's what
It's
happened.
beef. It's your beef, cheese,
Scott's
avocado,
got the thing on.
salsa, sour cream, lettuce,
Not the actual
tomato with a bit
contact,
more
but
cheese,
her threatening to.
and the big taco shell.
Good on him. That's so smart.
So going in for the big bite. Mmm.
Liam, what did you do when Amy hit you?
It went out.
You went out?
It hurt
Is she
so
good?
bad.
Really?
Yeah.
Was this on the bus?
Yeah.
Has anyone else ever hit you on the bus? Since you've been at Seaton? Or was that the first
Liam,
time?
close your mouth.
Was that the first time?
Yeah. Gabby did feel like hitting me. Do you know how hard she would hit me? Like whack!
Really? And did it get you on the arm?
Oh. Gabby would hit real harder than
Is Gabby got
Amy.
disability?
yeah. She would hit me real harder than Amy.
How do you know that?
She would whack.
Was she gonna? What, was
She would
saying-
whack me so hard. She would whack me really too hard that
that-
it would sting.
Is that what she said to you?
Yeah.
So Amy did hit you, but Gabby was saying that she might hit you another day.
Yeah. Gabby hits the hardest.
What type of disability does she have, do you know?
She said she might hit me in the face.
Was this when the bus was driving?
Yeah. This is awesome.
Were you sitting next to anyone?
No, I was at the front.
Oh.
Miss McNamara had a talk on the bus this Saturday.
And did the hitting happen before that or after?
After.
And did Mrs. McNamara say anything to anyone in particular? What, did she say anyone's names?
They told everyone to behave. Okay, one more bite. Mmm.
Scott said another boy was nice and he tried to stop them.
Yep, Cameron.
And then they picked on him.
Yep.
that right?
Yep.
Did they hit him?
I tried to.
What grade's Cameron in?
Maybe 9. Cameron from Seaton. Alright. I'm gonna finish this off. And